What's up, YouTube? You guys already know how I'm coming, guys. Monday sets the tone, and you guys did just that. Listen, I got a jam-packed video for you all today. Please keep it locked, but more importantly, please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. I'm kicking it off, loving on the family. First up to bat, I got my guy Philip. He texted me this morning. He said, "Hey, coach, got another victory today with Tesla. My last two victories are definitely confidence boosters. Thank you for your guidance." Guys, I often tell you these stocks will double. He had 101% play on knocking Tesla out the park. Okay, I told you guys, if you rock with me, when I fully teach you this game and you fully understand what you're doing, you will do this on a consistent basis, but with larger amounts of money. Okay, continue to get your feet wet, continue to take these small victories, knowing that the same thing you did to get this will be the same thing you do when you get those big plays like you see us do. Valencia, she's up next. I'm so proud of her. She texted me this morning. "Good morning, coach. Thanks for the Tesla swing call out. I got in on Friday before close and held on until I got to around 186.16. She sold it for a 61% gain. I couldn't be more proud of this surgical approach that Valencia took in terms of getting in, trusting the teaching, because I call this stuff out, I told you, in advance. Drew the illustration, pulled out a whole demonstration in the video form, kind of laid out for you guys what this would do. When you trust the process, guys, you have patience and time on your side, meaning your expiration date. Okay, you can let and see these plays through the way you are supposed to, and you get stuff like 100% gain, 61% gain, stuff that I tell you, you will never get these type of returns in the bank. Okay, how I'm so proud of, man, this guy absolutely surgical today. He definitely got in and out his $100 a day. He got busy today overall. I'm just showing you guys this one. Notice the trend. Everybody that hit me up on today, which was tons of you all, okay, we keeping it short for this 10-minute video. Everybody did their thing and made all of this money within 2 hours. It was really less than 2 hours. He said, "Coach, I followed the play, didn't get greedy, got up out of that joint. One love to the GOAT. Respectfully, Hal Blake, man, he did a phenomenal job." And guys, he continued to again sharpen his sword, going back to the well time and time again today. And then Mark, he finished it off with this one, guys. He said, "Good morning, coach. Listen to the video very well. Tesla to 185, got in at 181, had taken off already, but noted the strength, knowing you hardly missed, got in, watched them ride through the scenic route to 185, got out at 184.7, not being greedy, done for the day, a cool 200 in a few minutes of trading, grabbed SPY 2 following Discord guidance and rolled that to 542 and got out." Coach, much blessings. Guys, you all did a phenomenal job on today, man, and this is what it's about. I told you guys I'm a 2-hour-a-day trader, so I'm a little different than probably anybody you're gonna come across in this space, in this game. Okay, but I'm teaching you the skills, so whether you want to swing, whether you want to be a sharpshooter like me, whether you desire to be surgical, you have the tools and the skill set to do so. Okay, major salute, because I told you it's important we had a good Monday. Why? Because Monday sets the tone for the way we're gonna kick the market butt the rest of the week. If you made money today, let me know down in the comments below, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Check out Tesla, guys, sitting at 187.26. This one was up nearly $10 on the day, over 5%. Once again, major salute to anybody who listened, who trusted the process, who followed directions, but more importantly, who executed and knocked this one off the park for us. Okay, listen, we're going to have a battle at around 189. That's going to be our next battle. Okay, so 187 to 189. I want you to look for a little friction, a little resistance in that zone. If we get above 190, we taking off. 197 gonna be in our sights. I'll make a video, I'll teach you and show you what it would do, but you gotta clear hurdles first. I got any athletes, I got any track runners out there, you gotta clear hurdles. And right now 187.50 is a hurdle, and 189.30 is a hurdle. Okay, you can't just go to 200 without first clearing them. All right, and not scratching. All right, so keep that in mind for me. But definitely great job. I told you guys, get this at 177. If you rock with me, we buy calls at support, and you guys are up big by just following simple instructions given out every day in these free videos. Check this one out, guys. The SPY absolutely got busy on today. New all-time high, sitting at 547.27. Man, and it's making a bull flag now, so it looks like you want to go up some more tomorrow. It went as high as 548. Maybe this bull flag will let us go back and retest that a little bit. The breakout happened way down here, guys, at 543. These were some of my levels to look out for, and it just took off like a rocket once we broke through resistance. Okay, and so again, resistance turns into support. So when we do come down, I want you guys to look for 543. Okay, it's gonna bounce off 543 and go back to right here. Look, let me just teach you this. 545. That's a $5 move, or that's 100% gain. Okay, you guys got to know the difference. Okay, when you are doing options, you only need $5 to double your. So think it like this: when you're doing investing, if something is $100, it needs to go to $200 to double your money. With options, if something is $100, it needs to go to $105 to double your money. Or if something is $20, it needs to go to $23 or $25. Does that make sense? It's 100-fold gain. That's why I teach you these levels to a T. So when you learn that, you do like you saw Mark do today, you saw Phil do today. These brothers are getting 100% gains because they're understanding the levels to buy at. All right, that's why I'm teaching you guys this. You can double your money. So that's why all the big high income earners that come to my channel, that come to me for coaching, they say, Coach, I need to turn 500K into $1 million. All I'm doing is giving them $5 moves. Does that make sense? I'm not giving them something that's taken 3 years, 5 years to do. If you understand how to trade, if you become surgical and master your charts, guys, a $5 move can change your life. That's all we're looking for. That's what this will be. And if you guys learn puts, you can catch the $5 move on the way to support. Okay, that's the magical thing about it. That's what I do. That's how I blow it out the water, because I catch both directions. Okay, it's 100% each way. These moves are measured. All right, and then check this one out. Apple, look at this, guys, sitting at 216. It is up nearly 10% on the week. It is up 2% on the day. But look at this just massive move. If you guys are with the money team, we got this way down here last week, and it's just continuing to go crazy. And look at this, sitting back up here, 219. That's gonna be, look at that, that's already showing us resistance. Look at this, 219. I bet this is 218. Watch. Yep. And so that 218, 219 is going to be your battle. We got to get through that, or we'll come back down, get some more strength and momentum to go back higher. Okay, so just play these ranges. If you rocking with me, 211 to 219 is going to be the range this week until we lose to 11. Okay, but stay bullish on Apple. I'll tell you guys when it's time to pivot. All right, you got to just trust the process, know that pullbacks come with the game. All right, and then check this one out. Palantir, I told you guys at 20 we was going to 23. Next stop, look at where we're at, guys. This is 24.98. Shout out to everybody that's been hitting me up. I haven't showed it, but everybody that called me, showed me their portfolio, who's been in Palantir, who got the long dated play for us to swing on this. We got it at 20. I told you I want you to look for 23. You guys are already killing it just if you take profits here. Now it's at 24.98. The next stop is 27. Okay, make sure you got time on your side to let these targets I give you play out. All right, it's going to get there. We just can't ever make any promises like it's going to happen tomorrow. It takes time. You gotta let the market go up, come down, do all this jucking and jiving that it do. Okay, but nevertheless, trust the levels, trust the daily teachings, trust the free information. I'm going to lead you guys to victory. I'm going to lead you to whatever your financial goals are once you share them with me, because that's the power of the stock market. It ain't me, it's the charts. It's learning how to trade, knowing how to trade, knowing what stock's going to take off, knowing what stocks to put you in, during certain times and what stocks to keep you guys away from, okay? There's always a bull market somewhere in the stock market. That's why I told you, when the crash in September come, I'm gonna have to teach you the stocks that you need to be ready to transition to, the type of commodities you need to have, because they'll be the ones going up when these start to go down, because it's inevitable, okay? But nevertheless, man, I just wanted to put these on your radar. Love on you guys for setting the tone for me to start the week. That's all I cared about, man. Everything we did over the weekend leading up to today was to make sure you guys got off to a phenomenal start to start the week, okay? Because I know the importance of it. I'm a self-taught trader, guys. Made my money investing, retired, but the trading piece is what I'm telling you and teaching you about. When you can start the week on a positive note, guys, I'm telling you, it leads to more confidence. It leads to small victories. The small victories become big victories. And then before you know it, you looking like, coach, I made my salary in a week. I made my yearly salary in a month. These be the things that got me off the corporate plantation. When I start making what I make in a year in 30 days. And guys, it busted wide open for me. It allowed me to change my life. I retired in my 30s and just been doing what I can to show up every day, teach those willing to learn, and again, just live my life outside of that, man. But this game is powerful. It wasn't taught this in school. Your mama didn't know this. Your granddaddy didn't know this. Not at this level that I'm coming at you guys with. So put in the work to learn these things, because as I say often, it can truly change your life. I know. I'm a guy I got skin in the game. I ain't just on here talking for the sake of talking. I invest. I trade. I do every one of these trades with you guys. That's why I know. That's why I be so proud and so happy, because I know when you guys are winning, because I know I'm in it too. Okay, this ain't like the other people, man. I'm in it too. I have skin in the game, so it matters to me. I won't put you in nothing that I'm not in, because I want us to all win together. Does that make sense? If that sounds like something you want to be a part of on a consistent basis, please make sure you like, subscribe. Always take advantage of free. First and foremost, guys, you don't need to be paying for this stuff. But when you are ready to go to next levels and new heights, then you take advantage of those things, okay? But gather as much as you can for free, all right? It's out there. There's brothers like myself that's going to walk alongside you. I'm going to hold you accountable. I'm going to challenge you. I'm going to push you. But it's all in the effort to see you win, because I know it's possible. I'm not nothing special, okay? I just master the charts. So I can teach it better than everybody, but I can show it too. And that's the difference, okay? So again, guys, I won't hold you guys up today. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. So do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.